Welcome back. Notice anything different? That's right, we changed our clothes. And something about a cartoon. Or something.
In cartoon mode, the animation may be a little crappy, but we get to do the fun stuff.
Let's say for a scene we needed a helicopter. We'd have to go out, steal a helicopter from some guy, and then the cops would come around asking all kinds of questions, and then Jay would go to jail. But in cartoon mode... Alright, we got a helicopter!
Going up in the helicopter, going up and down, and up in the helicopter. Oh, get my helicopter rolling. We got the helicopter.
Yeah!
Where you guys get that helicopter? They land the bucket. It's a